Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and cool ways that you'll be able to experience the Olympics without even being there. So if you happen to be watching the TV right now, you're watching the Winter Olympics. Today is February 13th of 2018. So we've missed a couple days already, but I want to make sure you guys know that there is a fun way to check this out. And one of the ways, or I should say the only way to check it out without even really being there, is having your Samsung Gear VR. Now, if you have the Samsung Gear VR, you want to make sure that you go over into your Oculus application, and once you go inside of the Oculus application, or you can do it if your phone's in the VR. I usually do everything with the phone in the menu right here, but what you want to look for is the NBC Sports app. And when you find the NBC Sports app, you download it, you place it over into the Samsung Gear VR, and then you follow all the steps. So what we're going to do is I'm going to place this inside of there, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm able to check out and look at. But I do want to make sure you guys know as well, if you want to watch some of the exclusive content that is on there, or some of the live events, because you are able to watch some of these things live, is that you want to be able that you log into, or you want to make sure that you log into your service provider. So if it states, hey, take the phone out, log into your service provider, it literally takes you to the website. You click on whatever your service provider is. Mine is DirecTV. When I click it, it's going to take me in, so I'd be able to log in with my DirecTV account. Now, once you've logged into whatever service that you have, then all you have to do is click right on back over into the application, and there you go. You have all the exclusive content, you have all the live games, everything that's going on. But if you do not log in, you will be limited on what you can watch. So let's check this out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now, once you're inside of the application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this without using the little remote, because not everybody has the VR remote. What you're able to do is you can check out over into the visitor center, and if you just look at that little circle, it kind of spins around, so you can actually check out everything for the medal counts. And then also what you're able to do is if you hit on the back button, it takes you right back over to where you were from before. You can check out the Nordic sports. You can check out all the skiing. And so let's say that we wanted to go over into the freestyle skiing. So you just want to be able to look at that, and then it takes you right over into where you'd be able to watch your competition. So this one here has highlights, so it's not anything that has exclusive content. We're going to go over here. Here is the full replay. This is probably one of those here that you do want to have the exclusive. This is where you want to be able to that you log in with your service provider. And so as you're checking all of this stuff out right over here, you can see that there's different camera angles you'd be able to take, which the best one is going to be the VR cast. And once you do VR cast, it's going to choose the camera angle best for you, so you can actually watch the entire race. Right over here, you can check out that this person is about to start, and behind you, you can check out all the different trainings and the time trials. So this is actually pretty fun. You're able to watch them exactly what's going on, and it changes all the different camera angles for you. And so this is actually extremely fun. So right here you can see that this guy is going right on down the hill. And the cool thing is that right over here in this middle frame that we see here, that is the guy that actually just started that we saw a minute ago. So some of these things, if they are not extremely live, or if they are live, this is kind of how they do it. In terms of this downhill skiing that we're watching, the moment somebody almost crosses that end finish, somebody would go down and start right over there. So this is pretty fun to where you'd be able to start and see everybody that's right over here. Oops, I hit my mic. So this is just one of those fun, awesome ways you'd be able to watch the Olympics without just sitting on your couch in front of a TV. You'd be able to throw on the Samsung Gear VR. You'd be able to watch all these different races, not only with the main normal camera in the very middle so you don't miss a thing, but you also are able to see everything kind of like right in front of you of what's happening in the background. So if you guys have liked this video, make sure to give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also hit on subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.